Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create headings in SurveyMonkey. I'll actually show you 3 ways to do this. The first way, I want you to just come here and click on options, okay? On the right hand panel, I want you to scroll down and toggle this one on first, survey title, okay? And as you can see, I can go ahead and edit this survey title. And let's go ahead and name this, for example, customer feedback survey, right? Can name it then. And let's make this one center aligned, right? So we'll go ahead and click on this drop down, change this to center aligned. The category, I'll leave it at customer feedback, and then we can go ahead and save it. So let's see what this would look like. So we have it right here, and let's toggle this one on, so we see it here as well. And the other thing you can do is toggle on page titles. Okay, this is the other type of heading you can have. So let me go ahead and just click here on page title, and then you can just put a heading here. Okay, so let's name it general. For example, if you want, you can make this bold, italic, anything like that. You can customize it, right? Then let's save this. There we go. You can even change the color of that text, by the way. And the other way to go ahead and do this is coming here and clicking on build. Okay, and then you scroll down here on the right hand panel until you see this one right here that says text. And then you can bring in that text, for example, this one right here. And the good thing about this, you can place this anywhere in that page. Okay, you can even place it in the middle. It doesn't have to be in the start. The way you bring this in, it's very easy. You just drag and drop. Okay, you can place this in the start, the middle, anywhere. So let's just name this test, and then you can go ahead and make this bold, italic. You can even change the font size. You just click on these 3 dots to access the advanced editor. Just highlight this, change the font size. You can even change the font style itself, right? And then you can click on OK and save it. And this is what it would look like. And that is how you can create headings in SurveyMonkey. Really that easy and simple.